Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where day 8 of the Onsen egg treasure hunt is, as well as where the bubble is. So go to Winter Utopia and you'll find the red egg on top of the cafe. So I'm just going to jump up here and I'm just going to take a picture. Oh, okay, I guess I'll just do it like this. Alright, then you are going to go to... I actually don't remember where it is. Hold on. Oh, you're going to go to the fishing village square. So I'm just going to go there. And you will find the bubble on top of this area. I don't know what this is called, but you'll find it here. This is a pinpoint of where the bubble is. Whoops. Okay, you're just going to jump there. If you can't jump on top of there, just spawn a car. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!